to dominate the people, not to rule the people, but to serve the people. That's what I believe in. That's what we all believe in.
So, would you say it's not a students' movement anymore? It's a people's movement now.
Yes, absolutely, and especially when so many young lives have been lost. It should be. This is our chance to reclaim Bangladesh. This is our chance to say it clear and loud that we are the owner of Bangladesh. We are the real ruler of Bangladesh, and whoever are serving the organs of a state, they should be serving us, the interests of the people, not in their according to their own will. They should serve the people of Bangladesh. They should not kill students who are not unarmed. They must not deploy all their forces, which are armed forces, against the people who are unarmed, who are the students. We should always have a conversation with the state owners, with not state owners, with the state servers, people who are serving, who are representing the states. They are all servers of Bangladeshi people. They are the servants of Bangladeshi people.
Do you have any 1-point demand or 9-point demands or anything like that?
We want our Bangladesh back. We want our democracy back. We want to feel safe in Bangladesh. We want to feel that this is our country. There's no one point. There are many points. But for now, we want our land back, the ownership back. Thank you.
Thank you.